She's moved on, or at least that's what it seems. But what if I told you that all hope isn't lost? Winning back a woman who's moved on isn't about begging or chasing, it's about psychology. And in this video, I'll show you how to reawaken her feelings and make her see you in a new light. First, let's talk about why she moved on. Women don't just leave randomly. Usually, it's because 1. She lost attraction, maybe the relationship got boring, or she stopped feeling that spark. 2. She felt unappreciated. Many men take women for granted without realizing it. 3. She outgrew the relationship. People evolve, and sometimes one person grows while the other stays the same. 4. She found someone new. Tough to hear, but it happens. If you don't understand why she left, you won't know how to bring her back. If you're still doing this, stop. The worst mistakes men make after a breakup include begging or pleading. This makes you look weak, not attractive. Blowing up her phone if she's moved on. Constant contact just pushes her further away. Trying to make her jealous. Posting with random women won't bring her back, it just makes you look insecure. Acting like nothing happened. Ignoring the breakup doesn't fix the problem. So, what should you do instead? Let's get to the real strategy. The secret to winning her back isn't about convincing her, it's about making her want you back. Here's how. 1. Disappear for a while. No contact rule. Give her space to miss you. Women only start to reconsider when they feel your absence. 2. Level up your life. Hit the gym, improve your style, work on your goals. She needs to see that losing you was a mistake. 3. Rebuild your confidence. Women are naturally attracted to confidence. When you start thriving without her, she'll wonder why. 4. Subtly re-enter her life. After some time apart, reappear in a way that shows growth. A casual text like, "Hey, I saw something that reminded me of you, hope you're doing well," can open the door. Remember, the goal isn't to make her your priority, it's to make yourself the priority. When she sees you becoming the best version of yourself, she'll start questioning if she made the right choice. How do you know if she's warming up to you? Look for these signs. She starts reaching out or responding more warmly. She asks about your life and seems genuinely curious. She brings up old memories with a smile. She shows subtle jealousy when she sees you with someone else. If she's doing these things, you've got a shot, but don't rush it. Let things develop naturally. The key to winning her back isn't manipulation, it's transformation. If she truly moved on for good, that's okay. But if she's still on the fence, your growth and confidence will pull her back in. Either way, you win. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more psychology-backed relationship advice. And let me know in the comments, have you ever won an ex back? Or do you think once she's moved on, it's over? Let's talk about it.